Assalamu alaikum dear students. So in this video we will solve exercise 1A question number 3 book D2, and first of all we will read the statement. And the statement is, if x is directly proportional to y, if x is directly proportional to y and x equal 4.5 when y equal 3, find an equation connecting x and y. So we are going to start solution of this question. So this question is a little bit different from previous questions, question number 1 and 2. So in statement it is given that x is directly proportional to y. So we will write x, this is the directly proportional sign, and x is directly proportional to y, x is directly proportional to y, and this is the solution of part 1. X is directly proportional to y. This is the sign of proportionality. This is the sign of proportionality. So अब इस sign of proportionality को हमने ख़त्म करना है, and we have to make an equation. So if we remove this sign, proportionality sign, then we will write equal and a constant. K is a constant, and then y. So whenever we remove this proportionality sign, we have to write equal sign and then a constant. K is here a constant. Okay? So now we have the values of x as well as y. So the value of x is equal 4.5. So we will use this equation. So x equal 4.5. Then we don't have the value of k, and we have the value of y as 3. So k is multiplying with 3. First of all, to find an equation that is connecting x and y, we have to find the value of k. So k will be equal to 4.5 divided by 3. So k will be equal to 4.5 divided by 3. So if we divide 4.5 with 3, 3 ones are 3, 1 आ जाएगा, 0.5 को नीचे लेके आएंगे तो पॉइंट ऊपर चला जाएगा, 3 5s are 15. So k will be equal to 1.5. K will be equal to 1.5. So now we have to write an equation that is connecting x and y, that is connecting x and y. So x is equal, as x is equal ky, so we can write it as x equal, what is the value of k? 1.5 y. K equal 1.5 y. This is an equation that is connecting x and y, that is connecting x and y. Okay, now I hope आपको ये clear हो गया होगा. And now second part. In second part we will use this equation. In second part we will use this equation to find the value of x. So we have an equation that is x equal 1.5 y, 1.5 y. So now we have to find the value of x when y equal 6. So we have an equation x equal 1.5 y, we will write 1.5 as it is, then we will have to substitute the value of y. So y की value substitute करेंगे तो ये हमारे पास आ जाएगा 6. So x will be equal to 1.5 into 6. So 6 5s are 30, 0 3 carry. So this will be 9.0. आप 6 को 1.5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? 9 या 9.0 हम लिख सकते हैं, 9 लिख लेंगे, x equal 9. In third part we have to find the value of y when x equal 12. So यही equation we will use this equation that is connecting x and y. Again x equal 1.5 y, x equal 1.5 y, and what is the value of x? 12 equal 1.5 y. Okay, so 1.5 is multiplying with y. So if we shift this term to the left side, so 1.5 will 12 will be divided by 1.5. So y equal आ जाएगा 12 over 1.5. Y will be equal to 12 over 1.5. So now check this. If we shift this decimal point over here, ठीक है, so then we will write 0 over here. So दूसरे वर्ड्स में हम ये कह सकते हैं कि अगर हम यहाँ से पॉइंट ख़त्म करें तो ऊपर हमारे पास 0 आ जाएगा. सो नाउ वी हैव y इक्वल 120 डिवाइडेड बाय 15. 120 डिवाइडेड बाय 15. सो ये हमारे पास जो है वो आ जाएगा. सो इफ़ वी डिवाइड 120 बाय 15, 120 बाय 15, so 15 6 are 15 8s are 8 5s are 40, 0 4 carry 8 1s are 8 और 4 12. So 15 8s are 120. ठीक है. So we can do the cutting भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. So exactly अगर हम 15 का टेबल आपको होता है, so 15 8s are 120. So 8 will be our answer. So this is the question number 3, and if you have any confusion you can ask in comments. If this video is helpful for you, share this video with your friends and like this video. Okay students, take care, goodbye and Allah Hafiz.